Welcome to Mercy Beauty of Style channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to do a bathroom makeover. I did the part 1 in my previous video. Guys, you can check it up there. I don't know, I'm going to put it somewhere in the up there in the video. So you can check it to see how I did the part 1 if you miss it out. And today I'm doing the process, where I am so far. Of May, it's my birth month. My birthday is May 17, and I would love to reach 5,000 subscribers on my birthday. Please show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Guys, it's free of charge. You've been watching my video a lot lately. What's stopping you from subscribing? Huh? Just show me some love. Subscribe to my channel. Show me that I can have 5,000 subscribers for my birthday, May 17. Okay? With only one day. I always say birth month. I'm not completely done with the bathroom, but I'm showing you the process where I am so far, because I ordered a lot of things. I haven't received them yet. While I'm waiting, I work my way slowly. Always make everything work. Okay guys, when I just moved in, that's exactly the way the bathroom was, and I didn't like the light bulb at all, so I wanted to change it. This is the light I'm supposed to put in the bathroom. I lost it in transit and I'm still waiting for it. While I'm waiting, I just changed the light bulb and to make the bathroom more functional. Please don't forget to check the description box to see the part 1 of the video, and you guys will see how I upgrade the mirror and everything. Okay guys, let's start decorate the bathroom. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. And if you are not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur la chaîne. Si vous la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Sur la chaîne, ça me fait toute bagarre. Moi fais ça, moi fais cheveux. Et moi décorer carrément, moi remanier toute bagaille qui est possible. Moi c'est un moment pas décider de payer pour aucune bagaille que moi qu'a fait. Si vous aimez style moi, ou aimez j'aime bien, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille ou amis. Si c'est la première fois ou là, moi te remercie un peu parce que toujours retournez venir regarder vidéo ou toujours retournez venir supporter moi. Sans nous même chaîne ça va t'appuyer. Merci un peu. Moi aimez nous et puis continuez regarder les vidéos. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Okay guys, this is a reveal. That's what I have so far. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Okay guys, I'm going to start with this beautiful soap dispenser. As you can see, it's so beautiful, all the detail on it. And it was $6.99. Look, I'm washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. And this is not the first time I use this candle holder. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And the vase, my Greenery. I wanted something very simple, not too much flowers this time. This shirt from Burlington, and the vase I thrifted, and the Greenery from Hobby Lobby, and I love it. The elephant, I think I got it from Big Lots last year. It's super nice.
Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are.
I wanted to save myself some space, and I used this one. I get it from Day's. I think it was $8. And I put my towel down there and my oil diffuser here. And I love it. I get the whole decor from Home Goods 2 years ago, and I love it so much, and I think it goes perfectly. I ordered Blink the Knob, they haven't come yet, and I'm waiting for them. Guys, in this video, I didn't want to do voiceover, but as you can hear, there's part of it that's voiceover, like right now, and some other part that I was talking as I'm recording. So it's something that I'm going to do, less voiceover as much as possible, and record talking as I'm recording. And I guess it will save me more time and give me more time to upload more videos for you guys. My favorite essential oil is jasmine, and other time I can use peppermint oil or lavender, but most of the time I use jasmine. And you guys will have no idea, the bathroom smells so nice. As you can see, the steam. Okay guys, that was all for today. I want to say thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers. And guys, I want to let you know, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching my video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!